unboxing my Thomas Bubble Maker!
Woo! Okay.
Let's unbox it!
Hi, what do we have today?
My beanie bag! My Thomas Money's beanie bag!
And what else?
My Thomas Bubble Maker! Here, Bobby.
It's a bubble blowing Thomas. And can I see it, please? It's powered by Super Miracle Bubbles. Thomas and Friends. All right. Let's unbox it.
Christina, do the scissors. Oh, and last time. Christina, are you doing this? Christina, are you doing Yes, Adrian. Right.
We would have invited you in for a farewell tea, but as you were reading my article, these Japanese hotels are horribly cramped.
Excuse me, Mr. Christina. Excuse me, Mr. Christina. Excuse me, Mr. Christina. I have my beanie bag. There's a toy, a mini toy in my beanie bag.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Oh, wow. Mini blind bag. Thomas and Friends.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery. What do you think's inside?
Thomas.
You think Thomas is inside? I don't know.
And maybe it's Green Diesel 10.
Maybe.
It's Green Diesel 10.
Let's see what others is there on the package that could tell us which one it could be.
This holiday, Thomas will soar to exciting new heights in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day
Yeah.
when he is transformed into a giant balloon.
You having trouble over there? So here's the bubble machine. You just press it and then it'll make bubbles. Now it's time to get out our bubbles.
And we're opening the back so that we can...
Open it.
All right, now that we got the back off, we're gonna insert 2 AA batteries.
Yes!
No. 2 AA batteries. All right, now let's put the back on. Here you go. Here you go, Adrian. The batteries are all in now. Now time to put the bubbles in.
Alright. So we're going to open up the bubbles and put the little container.
Okay.
Alright, so
Let's look at it. It's Thomas the Tank Engine Bubble Solution. Non-toxic. The #1 steam engine on the...
Okay.
All right. Now let's read the instructions. So we've put the batteries in. Now we pour the solution in.
Right in this little square. And look, it's a mini thing that it hides.
Always going to travel and see the world. So to celebrate,
Alright, now we're gonna shut it. And we gotta wait for the bubbles to come.
All right, your bubble blowing.
Woo!
the Macy's Thanksgiving
Oh,
Day
that's
Parade
so
when he is
cool.
transformed into a
Oh, going on Thomas! They're
Yeah.
everywhere. Look, let's show them. Let's show him his face. Look at his funny little face.
Mm-hmm. Woo!
It's a funny funnel. It's a funny funnel. All right. Put the lid back on, and we're gonna save it when he
Adrian, do you like your new bubble blowing Thomas?
Yeah.
Isn't he cool?
Oh. Okay, what's next to open? Alright, so we're gonna set him over here, and then we'll play with him later. Whoa, look at all that. Oh,
Bubbles!
okay. So now we have his blind bag.
Ready?
And,
Cut.
alright. Okay, pull him out. Who's inside? Maybe, I think it's time. Alright, let's see who it is. Who is it? Thomas. It's Thomas? You got it right? Yeah. Let's see who it is.
We don't know. It's a surprise.
And look, oh wait, it has a 4 on it. Who's number 4? Gordon. Yay, we got Gordon.
We can add that to our mini collection.
And let's find where Gordon's under. He is under the metallic. Wait, no, he's not metallic. Never mind.
I think he is the blue number 4, but he looks like he's the original.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, oh, look at that! Silly boy. Alright, whoa.
To celebrate 70 amazing years of friendship.
Thanks for watching our video. Yeah.
Say bye, boys and
In
girls.
the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, when he is transformed.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Silly little boy. Bubbles. Bubbles. Whoa.
Oh.
Bye. I'm a little bit angry.
Why?
My face is so angry. Adrian, come on.